Here from ACAP. Welcome to today's update. We just want to start with looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. It's going to be a very long report today. We just want to cover a couple of things. So we've all been watching this fight back rally that we've been seeing since the last weekend, actually, at this point. And the question that I've got now is, I'm definitely not calling a top or an end to this rally, but I'm definitely starting to see, a bit of a roadblock starting to emerge, and that's what I'm really interested in seeing at the moment, if buyers can see it. And we've seen two tests now that have failed, and this resistance area that goes back to just back to the 14th of June, and that level is the 22. Yeah, around that 22, 750 area. So that's the point that we're watching at the moment, which seems to be really holding price back, and it is historical resistance. Now, we have to see a very strong trend in the OBV. We're seeing plenty of higher lows here. Everything looks pretty good apart from this level of resistance, and price is still above its fast trend here. The OBV is still trending up with price. Moving averages are still pointing upwards. So everything still does support the trend, but for now we are seeing this consolidation here, and we've seen a couple of attempts which have run out of puff. We saw yesterday's move fail after some pretty strong looking bullish momentum yesterday. We've seen a real nice shot at it again this morning, and again we're seeing selling come back in. So if we can see a hold above this 21,400 level, we then really want to see buyers get back up here and first break above this congestion, which is at 22,439, and then have another test and hopefully break this resistance to really show that this trend is going to keep going. Above there, possibility could see some resistance up at 27,303, and then if things really get going, we'll be looking around this area here, starting from 29,404 to possibly offer some resistance to buyers. Now, if we do see this selling break through the moving averages and break through this trend, and we do see a new this lower high breaks through this trend on the OBV, that'd be a bit of a worrying sign, and definitely something to keep an eye on. Maybe just hold your longs to wait until we get more confirmation from buyers that there is going to be a continuation. And otherwise, if we do see a break and a new lower high and a new break, possibility that we could be seeing a change in short-term momentum. So we'll be watching with interest tonight, tomorrow, to see what happens next. So thanks very much for tuning in. We wish you all the best the rest of the day, and good trading.